Are you worried about the future of our planet? Do you wonder if we can truly make a difference in the face of climate change and environmental challenges? Credible minds are developing groundbreaking technologies that are not only addressing these issues head-on, but are actively building a more sustainable world right before our eyes. What if I told you that right now, we'll explore the cutting-edge innovations that are transforming industries, empowering communities, and offering genuine hope for a sustainable future? Get ready to be inspired by the power of human ingenuity. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of green tech trends. The urgency of now. Why green tech matters? Our planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges. Climate change, resource depletion, pollution, and biodiversity loss. These aren't abstract concepts. They impact our health, our economies, and our very way of life, creating systems that work with nature, not against it. And the pace of innovation in this sector is simply astounding. It's better batteries like solid-state and flow batteries are making renewables more reliable, storing excess energy for when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. This is key to a truly grid-independent future. Let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. They demand innovation, turning what was once considered trash into high-value products. Think about fashion made from ocean plastic or building materials from industrial waste. It's about seeing waste as a valuable resource. Green tech is pushing us towards a circular economy where waste is minimized, breaking them down to their molecular components so they can be reused infinitely, rather than ending up in landfills or oceans. From plant-based meats that are indistinguishable from the real thing, to cultivated meat grown from animal cells. Green tech is transforming them into smart and sustainable ecosystems, and integrate renewables more effectively. Green buildings are designed for maximum energy efficiency, using sustainable materials, and often incorporating rooftop gardens or vertical forests for natural cooling and air purification. These innovations promise to dramatically reduce the environmental footprint of our diets. Companies are even developing new biodegradable materials that truly disappear without a trace. Farmers can apply exactly what's needed, where it's needed, and resources are kept in use for as long as possible, which are cheaper to produce and more efficient in varying light conditions than traditional silicon. Imagine solar panels that can be sprayed onto surfaces. They show that human ingenuity, combined with a commitment to sustainability, can overcome even the biggest challenges. Their success ultimately depends on adoption and support from all of us. As consumers, our choices drive demand. As citizens, our voices shape policy. It's powered by these incredible green tech innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. As innovators, our ideas fuel progress. And storage technologies aim to capture CO2 emissions directly from industrial sources or even directly from the air, then store it underground or convert it into useful products like building materials or fuels. New developments are also focusing on walkable communities and integrated green spaces that enhance well-being and biodiversity, ensuring this precious resource isn't wasted. Share it with someone who needs a dose of hope, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. Together, we can build a greener, brighter future. Converting everything from municipal solid waste to agricultural residues into usable power or biofuels, it's not just burning trash, it's advanced processes that cleanly extract energy. While controversial, they represent ambitious attempts to mitigate global warming, uses significantly less water and land, eliminates pesticides but highlight the extent of innovation being explored to combat climate change, allows for local production anywhere in the world. Ongoing research is making CCUS more efficient and cost-effective, holding promise for hard to decarbonize industries, or even integrated into Windows. And that's precisely where green tech steps in. Green technology isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's about developing solutions that are economically viable, socially equitable, and environmentally restorative. But here's the crucial part. These challenges aren't insurmountable. It's about decoupling growth from environmental destruction. Trend 1. Next generation renewable energy. Solar and wind power have already come a long way, but the next generation is even more exciting. When we talk about green tech, renewable energy often comes to mind first, and for good reason. Tapping into stronger, more consistent winds, and research into geothermal energy is expanding, looking at ways to harness the Earth's internal heat more broadly. Even in areas not traditionally considered geothermal hotspots, we're seeing advancements in perovskite solar cells beyond solar. Offshore wind farms are growing rapidly. Perhaps most thrilling is the progress in energy storage. Trend 2. Circular economy and waste transformation are current take-make-disposed. Linear economy is inherently unsustainable. This trend involves incredible innovations in waste-to-energy technologies. We're also seeing breakthroughs in advanced recycling for plastics. Upcycling is becoming an industry. Trend 3. Sustainable agriculture and food systems feeding a growing global population sustainably is a monumental challenge. And green tech is stepping up with innovative solutions. Vertical farms and controlled environment agriculture are revolutionizing food production. Growing crops indoors, often hydroponically or aeroponically, precision agriculture uses AI drones, sensors, to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, minimizing resource use and maximizing yields. And let's not forget alternative proteins. Trend 4. Smart cities and green infrastructure. Our urban centers are major consumers of resources. Smart grids use AI to optimize energy distribution, reduce waste. Efficient public transportation and the rise of electric vehicles powered by clean energy are reducing urban emissions. Beyond physical infrastructure, smart water management systems use sensors and data analytics to detect leaks and optimize water usage. Trend 5. Carbon capture and geoengineering. These technologies address the climate challenge at a grander scale. Carbon capture, utilization, while still in early stages and requiring significant energy, other geoengineering concepts, like solar radiation management, are more speculative and carry higher risks. The future is green. Your role in the transformation, these green tech trends aren't just fascinating, they represent a tangible path forward. While these technologies are driven by scientists and engineers, building a truly sustainable future isn't a pipe dream. It's an active construction project happening right now. So what are you most excited about? Which green tech trend do you think will have the biggest impact? If you found this video inspiring, hit that like button.